UConn players in the WNBA, Taurasi, Stewart, Bird, Paige Buchers capped off a legendary UConn career with a national championship. Now, she's the projected #1 pick in the 2025 WNBA draft. Here's a look at the most notable players who shined at UConn and in the WNBA. Sue Bird, two-time national champion, 2002 Women's College Basketball Player of the Year. #1 pick in the 2002 WNBA draft, Seattle Storm. 13-time WNBA All-Star record. 4-time WNBA champion. All-time assists leader in WNBA history. Swin Cash. 2-time national champion. 2002 NCAA Tournament Most Outstanding Player. #32 retired at Connecticut. #2 pick in the 2002 WNBA draft, Detroit Shock. 4-time WNBA All-Star. 3-time WNBA champion. Tina Charles. 2-time national champion. 2010 Women's College Basketball Player of the Year. #1 pick in the 2010 WNBA draft, Connecticut Sun. 2010 WNBA Rookie of the Year. 2012 WNBA MVP. All-time leading rebounder in WNBA history. Nafisa Collier. 2016 national champion. 2-time first-team All-American. #6 pick in the 2019 WNBA draft, Minnesota Lynx. 2019 WNBA Rookie of the Year. 2024 WNBA Defensive Player of the Year. 4-time WNBA All-Star. Rebecca Lobo. 1995 national champion. 1995 first-team All-American. 1995 Women's College Basketball Player of the Year. #50 retired at Connecticut. 1997 second-team All-WNBA. 1999 WNBA All-Star. Maya Moore. 2-time national champion. 2-time Women's College Basketball Player of the Year. #1 pick in the 2011 WNBA draft, Minnesota Lynx. 2014 WNBA MVP. 4-time WNBA champion. #23 retired by Minnesota Lynx. Breanna Stewart. 4-time national champion. 4-time NCAA Tournament Most Outstanding Player. #1 pick in the 2016 WNBA draft, Seattle Storm. 2-time WNBA MVP. 3-time WNBA champion. 2-time WNBA Finals MVP. Diana Taurasi. 3-time national champion. 2-time NCAA Tournament Most Outstanding Player. #1 pick in the 2004 WNBA draft, Phoenix Mercury. 2009 WNBA MVP. 3-time WNBA champion. All-time leading scorer in WNBA history.